Just got back from finishing up my 6-zone Bosch ductless system, and I'm a firm believer that if you end up having more than 3 zones for a ductless system, you should split it up into 2 separate heat pumps for a couple of reasons. And if you want to know why, I will tell you, but do some research. It makes a lot of sense. You don't want to put 5, 6, 7, 8 zones onto one heat pump. You're going to have an unhappy customer a lot of the time. Let's watch the finish of this project. Okay guys, a little intro video here on day 3 of our 6-zone ductless. So we got this one all in place. We're all connected there. I told my brother to strap this, so I'll have to get a strap on that. I got some clamps for this too. We glued it, but we're also going to hose clamp these two and bundle everything up. Drain ran out there. There is our 3rd one there, or sorry, our 4th one there, 5th one there. You can see we got that one all connected. And then our drain running across there. I think I showed you that already. Everything's looking good. Let me show you the outside. Show you what I got left today. So on a couple days ago, I couldn't come back until today. Today's Thursday. I still got to finish up my drains out here, and I'm all flared in there. So the first thing I'm going to do is get my nitro. I'm going to get these pumped up, and I'll get my vacuum pump going, and we can work on finishing up all this. So not a ton to do. Should be a few hours, and I'll be out of here at the most. All right, guys, pressure test went well. We are pulling down very quickly. It shouldn't take very long. These are all 3 very short runs. I'm gonna get working on the electrical here and buttoning up all this stuff. So let's do it. Oh, I'm gonna get the electrical on the inside too. I don't even have this one ran yet, but that's easy. All right, guys, we're gonna start by wiring our last 2 wall units here. So it's real nice. This whole bottom piece comes off. You just feed your wire through that hole there. And then this little guy here, I can do it with one hand, kind of a pain to get off. There we go. Has a little kickstand here that holds your little panel up. And then the way I do it is I just go black, white, red. These 2 wires here, just if it had a remote, so we're just gonna remove those, discard them. Black, white, red, and then ground with a little eyelet connector. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. All right, guys, there you go. Black, white, red. Got my ground under a nice eyelet connector. It doesn't have to be black, white, red. That's just the way I do it. Make sure it matches outside. That's the way I've always done them. Got my little charcoal filter in place there. Go ahead and put this cover back on, button this up, and we'll go wire the other one on the inside, and then we will go outside. All right, guys, we're looking pretty good. We got our line height in place. Got our drains in and clamped. I was able to squeeze 2 lines in there. I usually don't, but looks pretty good. All my holes are sealed up. There's the other drain there. We're gonna go ahead and get our communication cable hooked up, dump our charge, and we'll be done on this side. All right, guys, got everything looking pretty sweet. Got all my electrical tied in. Got all my communication cable tied in. Everything's all zip tied. Everything's all wire tied, all nice. Just gonna let my vac go a little bit longer. It's looking pretty good though. Forgot to open up one of the valves. So on these Bosches, you have individual high and low side valves you got to open up, service valves for each zone. And I forgot the bottom one, so I got to let it run a little bit longer and evacuate that line. But other than that, we're looking good. I'm going to head to the other side now. And actually, no, I got a couple things to do inside, and then I'll work my way to the other side of the house. And we'll be finished up. By that time, this guy will be pulled down. We can dump the charge. All right, guys, there you have it. There's my first 3-zone finished up. Looks pretty good, I think. I already tested them, ran them, checked my temperatures and everything. Everything's looking good. Not bad at all. Let's go check out the other side. And here's our other 3 zone. This is the clean looking side. I know I could do better penetrations and stuff for these, but it's kind of tucked in the corner. It's all sealed up. It's okay. No one's ever going to look back there. But that concludes this project. I sealed everything, sealed my drains. I went through around the entire perimeter of the house, make sure I sealed all my penetrations on everything. So we're looking good. I'm gonna tell the customer to leave these off because he's gonna mask them off to finish off their drywall and painting. And that is a wrap.